Hello everyone, welcome to Simple Trading Style, and today we are going to talk about weekly stock market review, and we will figure out is it bearish trend or what's going on with stock market world. Please subscribe for YouTube channel, click like button to support the channel, I really appreciate it. Let's move to trading view. Trading view, stock market, stock heat map. It's mixed mode, red, green, large corporation green, small companies red. That's what we have, mixed mode. Let's move to our watch list, our indexes, weekly time frame. If you want to learn more about trading view setup, just go to the description. There is the link about trading view setup trainings and other links about all my trainings. Let me briefly mention about my setup. I'm using moving averages, that's SMA, white line is SMA 200, red line SMA 10, green line SMA 5, yellow line EMA 20. Buy and sell script. Also I'm using MACD indicator, green line it's a bullish, red line it's a bearish, white line it's a signal line. And RSI and Heikanaichi indicator, yellow line it's a RSI line, Heikanaichi bars, green it's a bullish, red it's a bearish. That's all, very simple. Just three indicators with it's not easy because of the emotions involved. Remember about it. It's simple because stock market is very simple at all. It's not rocket science. It has just two directions, up and down, up or down. Second action, buy or sell. And third action is make money or lose money, profit or loss. That's all, nothing else. And your goal is just not to use your emotions, just follow the indicators and cut your losses and let winners run. That's all. Simple rules. Okay, let's start at SPY. SPY weekly time frame. SPY weekly time frame, green bar, green wick. MA5 did bearish crossover, still bearish. Even it did bearish crossover over 20, it is bearish. Sell signal on a script. Still last bar above MA20, it closed above MA20 and above the major trend lines. This green line, it's a major trend line from the top of the market. Maybe I have to change color because it's the same color like bars. Nothing changed. Okay, let's keep it. It's okay. Let's keep it as is. Okay, major trend line. We are still above. MACD indicator, let me maximize it a little bit. MACD indicator, red. MACD indicator still red. Heikanaichi bar, it's red, but it's above the zero line, above the yellow line, above zero line. It's a bullish territory, bullish zone. RSI at the zero line, Heikanaichi bar still red. Still bearish trend on weekly time frame for SPY. No changes, still bearish trend. And volume, look at that, previous week was higher, this week was lower, it's decreasing, volume decreasing, still bearish trend. Let's check what's going on daily for SPY. Daily for SPY, bullish on all indicators. Daily it's bullish, weekly it is still bearish. No changes. Let's move to Qs. Let's start Qs weekly. Similar story. This is the major trend line, green line from the top of the market. It's still above that major trend line. That's positive, right? And still positive, still bullish. New kind of recent highs. MACD still green bullish in a bullish territory. RSI bullish also. Heikanaichi green above zero line also bullish. bullish trend on all indicators. Remember, all indexes bearish, except only one index, it's a Qs. Qs the most positive and bullish index. It is bullish versus SPY. SPY is bearish, Qs, Nasdaq is bullish. Nasdaq is bullish on all indicators, no any other issues. It has some bearish divergences on MACD histogram, on RSI kind of flat, on Fibonacci kind of flat. Yeah, it's bullish, just bullish. Let's check daily for Qs. Daily it is bullish also, right? No changes. MA5 bullish trend, MACD green bullish trend, Fibonacci bullish on all indicators. Difference on daily time frame, it has bearish divergences on all indicators, but still bullish. This circle is kind of huge. Okay, let's move back. Let's move back to weekly. Yeah, it's bullish, no changes. Let's move to Dow Jones. Dow Jones, it is bearish, similar like SPY, right? Similar like SPY, last bar. It touched a major trend line. This major trend line started from the top of the market. It started, yeah, the previous week it touched the major trend line. This week it's above this major trend line. MA5 did bearish crossover over 20, bearish trend. Sell signal on the script, bearish trend. It's all bearish. MACD bearish red line. Fibonacci red, RSI in the negative zone. All indicators bearish weekly on for Dow Jones. No changes from previous week. Daily time frame for Dow. Daily time frame it is bullish. MA5 did bullish crossover, buy signal. MACD green, bullish crossover, buy signal. Fibonacci green. RSI still above the last bar. It's still bullish on daily time frame. Daily time frame bullish, weekly bearish, similar like SPY. Let's move to IWM, Russell 2000. Let's see what's going on with Russell 2000. Similar, the green line is started from the top of the market. And last 2 weeks, right? Let me maximize it. Last 2 weeks, last 2 bars touched this major trend line, but they still, last 2 weeks, we still below 200. It is bearish trend. Sell signal in the script. Green line MA5, bearish crossover over 10 and 20, and it's directing to do bearish crossover over 200. Bearish trend, MACD red bearish, Fibonacci red bearish, RSI in the bearish territory, bearish trend on all indicators on weekly time frame. Russell 2000 negative bearish. Let's check daily. What's going on with Russell 2000 daily? Russell 2000 daily still bearish. Bearish price action. Even it had green bar yesterday. Last Friday green bar, but MA5 still bearish, MACD still bearish, Fibonacci still bearish, RSI still in the bearish territory. No bullish no bullish reversal signal yet. It has bullish divergences on the RSI, has bullish divergences on the MACD histogram. It has bullish divergence. Also negative. MA20, EMA20 did bearish crossover over SMA 200. It is bearish. It is very bearish. Now, all moving averages and bars below 200, it is generally bearish trend for Russell 2000. Let's move weekly to Apple. Let's see what's going on with the Apple. Apple weekly bullish, right? Apple weekly bullish. Let me clean up my chart, make it nice. Ah, sorry, I deleted volume. Sorry for that mess. Let me edit value quickly. Volume. Okay, we are back. Price action is uptrend on Apple weekly, and the volume is decreasing, but still bullish trend. MA5 above MA10, bars above all moving averages. Bullish trend, last bar far from 20. Definitely should connect to MA20. Remember, each time it's far from MA20, it always comes back and connect to MA20. MACD green bullish, Fibonacci green bullish, RSI bullish territory. All indicators bullish for Apple weekly, similar like Qs, and we know why, because Apple is 25% of the Qs, and that's why Qs and Apple bullish on weekly time frame. Let's move to daily. Daily, similar story. The difference is it has bearish divergences. Price action uptrend and bearish divergences on MACD, bearish divergence on RSI, on all indicators bearish divergence, and volume is also decreasing. Price action is uptrend, volume is downtrend. Still bullish trend daily and weekly, similar like Qs, no changes. Let's move to Tesla. Tesla weekly. Sell signal on a script, MA5 are ready for bearish crossover over 20 and 10. MACD still green, still bullish. RSI still bullish. Fibonacci still bullish. One indicator bullish, bearish. All other indicators still bullish. Tesla, we can consider with Tesla still bullish trend. On weekly time frame, let's see daily. Daily, Tesla is bullish also. MA5 did bullish crossover, buy signal on a script, bullish crossover over 10 and 20, still all bars above MA5, 10 and 20, but below 200. When it's below 200, it is generally bearish. But as of today, it's still bullish on all indicators. MACD green, Fibonacci green, RSI bullish. All bullish. On daily time frame, this white box, it's a gap below. That's why it's generally it's a bearish. It wants to go to close this gap and maybe retest it the lower, to make it double bottom. We'll see. It's early to say. So far it's bullish. On daily and weekly time frame. Let's move to BABA, Alibaba Group. Let's see what's going on with Alibaba Group. Weekly time frame, first green week after like 7-8 weeks. Sell signal from this resistance level. This resistance level was sell for several times, and this time it was sell also. And it did go below this resistance line, support line at 86 level, and it came back. Now it's a resistance. The next support will be 60, around like 62, right? Actually, yeah, it's a 75, the next resistance. Next resistance will be 75. I was wrong. Let me create this line. Okay, next resistance 70, around 73, 73, 74, something. This zone. This next support, I'm sorry, next support. Now it's the resistance, but next support 70, around 74, 75. Okay, bearish trend. MA5 did bearish crossover over 20. Bearish trend. MACD red bearish. Heikanachi red bearish. RSI in the bearish territory. Bearish on weekly time frame. No changes. Let's check daily. Daily it is different story. Buy signal in the script. MA5 did bullish crossover first time after since January. End of the January it was sell signal. It was a February, March, for 2 months it was bearish. Now it's a first buy signal, bullish crossover. MACD change color from red to green, bullish. Heikanachi green, bullish. RSI bullish above the zero line. Bullish trend on daily time frame, and weekly it's still bearish. That's what we have. But remember, I don't trade on the weekly time frame or monthly time frame. I just monitor the market direction. I only trade on the 4 hours and daily time frame for the swing trading. For the swing trading, I do take actions based on the 4 hours and daily time frame. Okay, let's move DXY. DXY, well, it's a USA dollar weekly. Sell signal. MACD is still green. Heikanachi red. RSI below Heikanachi bearish. Two indicators bearish. MA5 still about 10. It's still bullish. Two indicators bearish. Two indicators bullish. On weekly time frame, it's not full confirmation. And remember, we like when all indicators align in the same trend direction with full confirmation. On weekly, it's no confirmation yet. On daily, it is still bearish. It was 2 green bars for last 2 weeks, but still MA5 below 10 and 20. Last bar was far from MA5. It did connect it to MA5 this week. MACD is still bearish. RSI still bearish territory. Heikanachi still red, still bearish. Daily still bearish, and weekly it's mixed mode between bearish and bullish. That's all. Let's do summary. Like I mentioned, only one bullish index on weekly time frame. It's a Q. Q's very strong. They never tested SMA 200. They never tested major trend line. They are bullish. Q's bullish. With some divergences on daily. They have a lot of bearish divergences on daily time frame, not on weekly. On weekly, yes, yeah, volume is decreasing. Some bearish divergences on the histogram, MACD histogram, kind of flat on RSI. Still bullish trend. Price action is still uptrend. On weekly time frame, on daily, it is also bullish with bearish divergences. That's only one index bullish. All other indexes bearish on weekly time frame. SPY bearish on weekly time frame. Dow Jones bearish on weekly time frame. IWM bearish on weekly time frame. On daily time frame, on daily time frame, IWM still bearish. Dow Jones on daily time frame and weekly. On daily it's bullish, on weekly bearish. SPY the same, on daily bullish, on weekly bearish. That's kind of picture we have. Yeah. If you are daily, it is still bullish with bearish divergences. If you are on the weekly time frame, it is still bearish. That's all. Let's see what will happen next week. Next week it should be bearish. It should be bearish, specifically for Qs, because Qs they are trying to make bearish reversal signal because of the bearish divergences. Bearish divergences on all indicators with low volume. And Qs never tested to. No, they tested actually 200 on daily time frame. They tested 200, but they never tested major trend line yet. That's all. That's all. Thank you so much. Let's move to disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor. This video for educational informational purposes only. For educational purpose, we are using paper trading account. Thank you so much for watching simple trading style video. I do publish daily, weekly, monthly updates for stocks, ETFs, indexes, and cryptos. Please subscribe for YouTube channel and click like button to support the channel. I also publish some charts to Telegram and Discord community. Please subscribe. Thank you so much and good luck. Bye now.